how to become invisible on Clubhouse app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be invisible on the Clubhouse application. So how do you go about it? The first step is to launch the Clubhouse app on your device, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, your profile page will be displayed. On this page, click on the gear icon, which is your settings, and then on your settings page, the next step is for you to scroll down and you'll see different settings that can be done. Then go ahead to select your username, click on your username, and then your username to load. Once it has loaded, you can see full name, phone number, username. Select username, click on it, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. So on this stage, you can decide to use an anonymous username in order for someone not to recognize you. This is one way. And then the second way to be invisible, which is the more direct way, is to scroll down and then select private profile. So by selecting private profile, automatically it is usually turned off. So in order for you to turn it on, just click on it this way and then confirm, and then just like that, your profile will be private and only your friends can see your activity and you can control who interacts with you. This way you have an invisible profile on Clubhouse. Thank you for watching and have a good day.